Find the vertical and horizontal asymptotes. Let's start with the horizontal asymptotes. To do that, we'll take limits at infinity, and we'll start with positive infinity. The next thing we want to do is divide both sides by e to the x, or we can think of that as multiplying by 1 over e to the x. This will give us the limit as x approaches infinity of 2 over 1 minus 5 over e to the x. And now if we evaluate the limit, notice that the fraction is going away to 0 because the denominator is getting really big. So we have 2 over 1 minus 0, or 2. That means we have a vertical asymptote at y equals 2. Next, we'll take the limit as x approaches negative infinity of 2e to the x over e to the x minus 5. This time, since x is approaching negative infinity, we do not need to divide by e to the x or multiply by the reciprocal, because if we focus on e to the x and think about what that graph looks like as x is getting large negative, so we're approaching negative infinity, the function is actually approaching 0. So here we have 2 times 0, and in the denominator we have 0 minus 5, so we're getting 0 over negative 5, which is 0. So another vertical asymptote is y equals 0. To find the vertical asymptote, we will simply set the denominator equal to 0 and solve for x. First, we add 5 to both sides, and then we'll take the natural log of both sides. That allows us to bring down the exponent. Remember that the natural log of e is just 1, so we end up with x equals the natural log of 5, and that is our vertical asymptote.